You know, Senator, that a big thing driving the concern is that this is not new. Not just what we uncovered in the CNN investigation, but the reason, the mandate for Shinseki when he was put in, Senator, was that we knew there were big lapses at the VA that had to be addressed. And you could argue they have not been. Isn't it time for accountability?
That is exactly one of the questions that I'll be asking Secretary Shinseki today. But in terms of these accusations, one of the things I think, Chris, that we don't want to do is get out in front of ourselves. The truth of the matter is that the VA is now, that the Inspector General of the VA, an independent entity, is now investigating what took place in Phoenix. And we do not know what took place in Phoenix.
Why do you not trust the CNN reporting that Drew Griffin and his team did on this? When they talk about the 40 people, the deadly delays, how the way the process is run and the waiting game is played wound up costing lives.
Okay. Can I read you a quote?
Please.
All right. This is what CNN said on April 30th. At least 40 U.S. veterans died waiting for appointments at the Phoenix Veterans Affairs healthcare system, many of whom were placed on a secret waiting list. End of quote. A few days later, this is what CNN said. Now, what Dr. Foote, and Dr. Foote is the physician who made the allegations, what Dr. Foote and others have told us is that of the many, many people on that list, all veterans, 40 of them have since passed away. The allegation is not that the delay in care caused that, only that that is what is now being investigated. Did the delay in care of these people on the secret waiting list actually cause these deaths? We don't know.
Is it unfair criticism, Senator, to see that you sound like a lawyer defending the hospital as opposed to a senator trying to make sure the right thing is done?
That is exactly what I want, Chris. I want the right thing to do. The second statement is exactly correct. We don't know. And that's why why the VA has asked an inspector general to investigate that. The first statement is not correct.
Well, hold on a second. Senator, again, with all due respect, we don't know that the first statement is not correct. You're saying you don't have the proof of it being correct to your satisfaction. This doctor felt that it was correct, and you don't know that it isn't correct.
No. What the second statement said is we don't know.
No, the second statement says we know that they're dead. You're saying you want to connect the dots better. That's fair pushback, but it's not that we know it's incorrect.
We know that people die every day. We don't know why they die. All right, anyhow, Chris, I don't want to argue that point till the cows come home. Here's what you got. You got a system that, by and large, I think works reasonably well for veterans. There are problems, and we have got to get at those problems, but we need the facts to lead us to where we want to go.